respected dignitaries, media members, artists who all are present today for the inauguration of the Bengal Art Festival. I wish them a very happy beginning of the day. Namaskar. I feel honored to be part of the online art festival of Bengal Art Factory, and it is a big honor to inaugurate this festival on this day, and I wish the organizers a very successful exhibition for the period they are holding this exhibition. Really pleased to know that the Bengal Art Factory, being the pioneer in the field of art of the Bengal, under the able leadership of Mr. Kinkon Banerjee. It is really heartening to know that Bengal Art Festival authorities have been organizing art exhibitions at the most renowned art galleries like ICCR under the Ministry of External Affairs, Nandalal Bose Art Gallery, Jamini Roy Art Gallery, Indian Museum, Birla Academy of Art and Cultural Center, Noti Vinodini Art Center, and leading Star Theatre. And all the more, they are taking this art heritage to the interiors of Bengal by holding time to time this type of exhibitions to patronize the Bengal this art heritage. That's a great service to the humanity and great service to keep the Bengal art revived and continued till this day in a very sophisticated manner. This needs lot of efforts. I really appreciate the efforts being put by the authorities. All the more, these efforts have helped to display all the fantastic creations of the talented group of artists online. That is more important, because now to reach everywhere is cost prohibitive. So online is the call of the day. In fact, technology is the way forward. Now to bring closer to people and to showcase the rich art heritage of Bengal in a befitting manner. Thus, these glorious paintings have bonded with global buyers, and that is the need of the hour. I am proud to be associated with the event, and my special thanks to the Bengal Art Authority and Mr. Digvijay Chakraborty, the Managing Director and the Chairman and the CEO of Sun Eco Ventures Private Limited, Kolkata. They have been patronizing such events in earlier occasions also. That also big kudos to them for doing this service to the promotion of Bengal art and heritage. Good to know that these paintings can be purchased by visiting the website http://baf.art.blog. So please visit the blog and try to purchase the painting you like, and let that be a big position for you and to decorate your house. I'm sure these paintings will have global acceptance. I have seen globally how people are running after these paintings to give a new look to their houses. Most of the people in the global they like Indian art, painting, sculptures, and that is the big thing which needs lot of patronage, and that is being provided by having such exhibitions. Please do enjoy the best of art festivals, the displays, and go ahead with your purchase. Thank you very much for inviting me to be the chief guest and to address this auspicious gathering today, and I really value it lot of sentiments for this event and being associated with this event. Thank you very much. I wish the event a big success. In our mantra, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhino, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pasyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhav Bhavet. With these words, I end my address and wish you all the best, good health, prosperity, and good business. Thank you. Namaskar.